Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is making the smallest and greatest numbers from 4 given digits. Okay, now I am going to explain how will we making the smallest and greatest number by using 4 digits. Before that I will teach you how will we make greatest number by given 4 digits. Okay, for example I am giving the number 3, 7, 5 and 1. Okay, the rule is the greatest number will have the most thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then ones. So we have to write the digit in descending order. Children, as we have the 4-digit number, so we must have the thousands. Okay, among 3, 7, 5, 1, which one is the bigger one, children? 7 is the bigger one, so I write 7 here. Then among these 3, 5 and 1, which one is the bigger one? 5. Right. Then between 3 and 1, which one is the bigger? 3. And finally 1. So using 3, 7, 5, 1, the greatest 4-digit number is 7531. I am giving one more example. Suppose I am giving the number 1, 9, 0 and 0. In between that 1, 9, 0 and 0, which one is the bigger one, children? 9. So I write 9 here. Then 1. So I write 1 again. Between 0 and 0 both are in same. So I have write 0 and 0. Okay. So the using 1900, the greatest 4-digit number is 9100. Here I am giving one more example, 0, 7, 8 and 9. Among these 0, 7, 8, 9, which one is the bigger one, children? 9 is the bigger one. So I write 9 here. Then which 3 numbers left? 0, 7 and 8. Between 0, 7 and 8, which one is the bigger one? 8 is the bigger one. So I write 8 here. Between 0 and 7, 7 is the bigger one. Finally 0. So by using 0, 7, 8, 9, the greatest 4-digit number is 9870. No more, I am giving the example by using the help of this TLM. Okay, here 4 digits are given to you, 2, 0, 7 and 8. But what our topic is, by using this 2, 0, 7, 8, we have to write the greatest 4-digit number. Among 2, 0, 7, 8, which one is the greater, children? 8. So I will have to take out this 8 from ones place and put in the thousand place, because it is a 4-digit number, no? So we have to put it in the thousand place. Among 2, 0, 7, which one is the bigger one? 7. So I will put it on the 100, under the 100 place. Among 2 and 0, which one is the bigger one? 2. So I will take this and keep it in the tens place. Finally, what remains? 0. So I will keep it on the under ones place. So by using 2, 7, 8 and 0, the greatest 4-digit number is 8, 7, 2 and 0. That is 8720. Because 8 is under 1000, so 8000. 7 is under 100, so 700. 2 tens 20. Clear, children? Now for better, I am giving one more example to you. Suppose the number is given to you 6, 0, 1 and 3. Okay. So number is given to you 6, 0, 1 and 3. So which one is the bigger among all? Yes, children, 6 is the bigger one. So I will take this one from here and put under the thousand place only. Okay. Among these 3, 0 and 1, which one is the bigger one? 3 is the bigger one. So I will take out this 3 and keep it under 100 place. Okay. Now between 0 and 1, which one is the bigger one? 1. So I will keep it under tens place and the remaining 0 is under ones place. So this number became 6310. To know better, you can read this one 6000, because 6 is under the thousand place now. So 6000, 3 is under 100 place, so 300, 1 tens 10 and 0. So 6310. I am giving one more example to you to know more better. Suppose it is the number given to you 0 and 0, then 3, then 8 is given to you. So among all, what you will do? You have to arrange these numbers as it is given. How will we arrange? The greatest number we have to take out and put under the thousand place. So among these 3, 0, 0 and 8, I took out 8 and keep it under the thousand place. Okay. Then among these 3, 0, 0. So these 3 will be bigger. This 3 is greater than that from these 2 zeros. So I will take out this 3 and keep it under the 100 place. So and remain these 2 zeros are as it is because these are equal. So I will keep 1 0 under the tens place and another 0 under the ones place. Okay. Now this number become 8,000 because 8 is under 1000 place. So 8,300 and no 0 0 0 0 0 has no value, no, so it will become 8,300. So students, let's move to the second part, making smallest number by given 4 digits. Okay, again I am telling the topic is making smallest number by given 4 digits. Okay, what are the rules which you have to follow while making the smallest 4 digit number? The smallest number have the least thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then remains ones. So we have to write the digits in ascending order. You know children, ascending means small to big. Yes. One more thing, if there are zeros, place them after the next smallest digit. Again I am telling the rule. If there are zeros, place them after the next smallest digit. How will we do? I will explain through this example. Okay. Then we cannot have number starting with 0. Any number if you write 0 starting with the 0 means when we are writing 9, after 9 is a 1 digit number, greatest 1 digit number. After that we are writing 1 0 10. 1 0 10 means 1 is 1 digit and 0 is another digit. So there are 2 digits among with this. No, we cannot start any number by using 0 start first. Okay, here for that I am giving one more example to you. How will you learn the example? Let's do how will we make the smallest number. Okay, here the number are given to you 8010. Okay, 8010. To making the smallest 4 digit number, as per our rule, what we have to do? We have to, the smallest number have the least thousand place. So among 8010, which one is the smallest, children? Yes, 0 is smallest, but we cannot write any. Here we have, I am giving we cannot have number starting with 0. So this 0 will be cancelled. We cannot start the number with 0. Among 1 and 8, which one is the smaller, children? 1 is the smallest. So I will write 1 here, then between 0, now you can put zeros. Okay, so first I have write 1 here, then between 8, 0 and 0, which one is the smaller one? Zeros are smaller, so I will write 0, 2 zeros here, finally 8. Okay, so the number become 1008. To know more, I am giving one more example. Here the example is 9271. Okay, which one is the smaller one, children? 1 is the smaller one, because as per the rule we have to arrange the digit as per ascending order. So among a 9271, which one is the smaller, children? 1 is the smallest. So I write 1 first, then among 927, which one is the smallest one? 2. So I put 2 here, then 7, then 9. So using 9271, the smallest 4 digit number become 1279. Let's move to another number, 4942. Here 4942, among these 4 numbers, which one is the smaller one? 2. Then these 2 4 are similar, so I write 2 4 here, finally 9. So using 4942, the smallest 4 digit number is 2449. Okay, now 1 5, here one more example is given to you, 1 5 9 and 3. Between 1 5 9 and 3, the smallest number is 1, so I write down 1 here. Then among 5 9 3, which one is the smallest one? 3, so I write down 3 here. Then between 5 and 9, 5 is smaller, finally 9. So using 1593, the smallest 4-digit number is 1359. Here given one more example, 5126. Okay children, 5126. Among 5126, which is the smallest one? 1. So I write it down 1. Then 2. Yes, 2 I have written here. Between 5 and 6, which one is the smaller one children? 5. Finally 6. So using 5126, the smallest number is 1256. Here one more example is given to you to know more about why should not we put 0 here. If the number is given to you 0199, can it become the 4-digit number? Yes, if we write 1 before, or else if 0 has no value in the left side, no, it becomes the 3-digit number. But my question is, we have to make the smallest number by given 4-digit, no? So we have to use 0 and we have to make the smallest 4-digit number. We cannot use by writing this one as 0 before and it will be 3 smallest number. Okay, so for that what our rule is, if there are 0, place them after the next smallest digit. Between 0, 1, 9 and 9, which one is the smallest one? 0. But as per the rule, if there are 0, place them after the next smallest digit. Between 1 and 9, which one is the smallest one children? 1. So I write 1 here. Then you can put the 0 here. So I put 0 here. Then 9. Then 9. So using 0199, the smallest 4-digit number is 1099 because 0 is on 100 place. So we cannot pronounce 1099. We should pronounce 1099. To know better, I am giving you by using this example with the TLM. Okay. Here children, the number is given 3010. As per our rule, which one is the smallest one? Yes children, 0 is the smallest one, but we cannot put 0 in the place of 1000. If we put 0 in the place of 1000, 0 has no value when we are putting on the left side. So we cannot put this 0 here. So after 0, which one is the smallest one? 1. So I will write down this, take out this 1 from the tens place and put on the 1000 place, under the 1000 place. Okay. Now we will see, as we have to arrange this number from ascending order, no? So 3 0 zeros are there. Which one is the smallest one children? 0. So I will take out this 0 and put under the 100. Here 1 0 is there. So I will take this one also and put under the tens place. Then finally this 3 and I should put this one under the ones place. So by using the number, the smallest 4-digit number, by using the number 0, 0, 3 and 1, the number smallest 4-digit number became 1003. 1000. 000 we can't pronounce 000 and 010, so 1003. Clear children? Now I am giving one more example to you to know better. Suppose the number is given to you 9, 0, 5 and 7. Okay, 9057. So as we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order to make the smallest 4-digit number. Among this one, 9057. Which one is the smaller one children? Yes, 0, but though 0 is the smallest one, we can't write. So which one is the smallest among 957? First, yes, 5. We will take out this 5 and keep under the 1000 place. Then among 907, which one is the smallest one? 7. No. But what happened? Here we have to arrange 9, 0 and 7. No. Here which one is the smallest one? 0. Yes, 0 you can put under the 100 place. Right. Among 9 and 7, which one is the smallest one? 7. So I will put this 7 under tens place. Finally 9. I will put under the nines place. So how will I pronounce this one? Sorry, 9 place, not 1's place. So how will I pronounce this number? 5000. As we cannot say 000, so 5000, 7 10, 70 and 9. 5079. to know more better, I am giving final example to you. Suppose I am giving a number 6, 8, 5 and 9. Okay. How will we write this? By using these four 6, 8, 5 and 9, how will we arrange this number and write the smallest 4-digit number? As 5 is the smallest among all, I will take out this 5 and put under the thousand place. Right, children? Then among 6, 8 and 9, which one is the smaller one? 6. So I will take out this 6 and put under the 100 place. Right. Among this 8 and 9, which one is the smaller one? 8. So I will take out this 8 from the 100 place and put under the tens place. Finally, this 9 I will put under the ones place. So this number now become 5,689. Okay, 5,689.